G'day and welcome to my boring channel. In this episode I'm making a drill charging station. Mario the Woodfather has put down the challenge, the Spring Shop Storage Challenge, which is this season's Aussie Maker Challenge. How many times can I say challenge in one sentence? Challenge. Basically, without hesitation, I've decided to do a drill charging station. I pretty much just whack some cleats straight on the wall. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, and I'd had a little bit of proof of concept around some French cleats, and I figured the first one I'd do is a drill charging station. The drills are always basically coming out from my work truck for the weekend, or whenever I'm working on a project, and they don't really have a spot. They just follow me around with all the bits. So I've not gone too extravagant. I wanted to keep it relatively small, but somewhere where all the batteries can come to for the various power tools and the drill and a few components, and on French cleats, so when it's not in use it can be moved further away. Not really going to run through what I'm doing because pretty straightforward, but if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask down below. This is my entry to the Spring Shop Storage Challenge. Spring Shop Storage Challenge. The Spring Shop Storage Challenge! Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.